And I'm going to go ahead and share my, I think I share my whole screen with you guys. And there we go again. All right, so up to this point, if I run this thing, see what it does. And it should, like, you click on it, you say your name, hit OK, it turns red, you mouse over it, it says your name, whoever bought the seat. If I unclick it, it changes it back to seat 1. And so you can sell seats, you can cancel seats. And again, you know, if you're going to cancel a seat, there probably should be, you know, if I was doing this for real, I'd have it set up that, you know, you might have to, do you really want to do that type of scenario? So it wasn't just a click and then type their name in, and then, you know, if you make a mistake at this point, well, they're gone. Okay. All right, so let's try and sell some seeds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this first. I think what I'm going to do here is go to my design, and I'm going to add a couple labels. There are no windows in this group. Drag an item onto. What? There we go. Okay, so let's add a label. And for right now, I'm gonna put it over here. And I think I'm gonna call this label, what were the groups we had here? Go up to the top here. 30 seats. I thought I had put in, we haven't dealt with, didn't we have classes of seats or something? Could have sworn we did.
I don't think we did.
I don't think we coded them yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. I get what you mean now. We did the tags, but we didn't code it.
Got you, got you. Okay, so if I move, I'm just trying to differentiate somehow here. Those to there, and then these are the cheap seats back here, right? So just, I put an aisle down here. We got 3 different types of seats. Oh, I think that's what I think we were selling them for different prices somewhere. We didn't put that up in the discussion or in the, somebody look in the book here. Let's look in the book, or somebody else look it up. Chapter 8. There we go. Trying to find things. Once I move out of the office, it's hard to find everything that actually I got. Calculate medium, hotel occupancy, no adding students, lottery, soccer, charge account. Oh, this, oh, where is that? There's got to be a, or am I just dreaming? Oh, give me a break. I can't even find it now. Phone numbers, grade books, hotel. Okay, medium. Well, isn't that interesting? Okay. Well, apparently my brain is not working right because I can't find it. So let's just go say that we'll go $20, $10, or let's see, 20, 15, and 10 or something like that. But for right now, let's just fix this label. I'm going to call it label. What am I doing here? I'm going to call it first now. How about premium? Premium label. Premium val label. What I'm going to call it. Well, that's stupid, Doug. You're in the text. The name of it, takes me a while to get, is premium val label. I need the auto size is going to be turned off. Back color is going to be white, web white. Resize it here. There's no text. It's going to have a single border style. And the text align is going to be middle right. So this is where we're going to put the total seats in this area that have been sold, or the value anyway. I don't know about actually showing how many. Maybe we need to do that too. Then we could have a subtotal. Okay, so that's that one. Again, it's premium val label, and auto size is off, background's white, border style is fixed single, and the justify or text align is middle right. And we're going to make a bunch of these. So I'm going to Control C that. And I want 6 of them total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. Here. I did too many, didn't I? And here. Maybe not. Put that up there. Those. Add here for those. Here for those. Grand total. Down here. I actually need one more. All right. Need another label. I'm going to call this cream hold value. do that. Hang on. This is going to be premium sold. We need the name. Move that label. That's not here. All right. Okay, so this is going to be the number of tickets sold. This is going to be their value here. Okay, so this label here is going to be premium sold. And then you need something here. Need to select this and make some copies of it here. Again, if you're totally lost, chime in. I can tell you what's going on. Just building this over here. I have to go back and name all this stuff here. Basically, we got 3 different classes of tickets. And we're going to show the subtotal for each one and how many tickets we sold in that area. And then this one will be our total down here. So this should be right here. Whatever this is here. I'm going to change the name of this. This should be cream subtotal. And then we'll take that name and just take the val out of it. This. This one will be whatever this one is. Premium, this will be norm or something. So this will be norm sold val. Norm sold val label. And then the one next to it will be just without the val in there. So norm sold. Simple normal sold. Here will be normal sold. norm subtotal label. Oops, that isn't what's going on there. Put a val in here. This one will be oops, why is it moving? Sold val label. Right. And this one will be the Okay, so here's my naming conventions. This is for my economy seats. Then my premium are right here. Uh-oh, I got one here that doesn't have a label on the end. Need to fix that. So here's my economy. Here's my premium. And then just follow that same thing for your totals. And normal. I'll leave that up for a second and give you a minute to catch up with this mess. Yeah, and if you have questions, you need to say something. I can't read your minds. I can't see your face going, no, what did he do now?
Be a lot cooler if you did.
Turn your video on, I'll be able to see you. Ah,
Here you go.
there. Oh, great. No, turn that back off. Kidding. You get a haircut like this, Jericho, you don't have to worry about it.
I usually get mine cut like Orlando Bloom off of that Amazon Prime show, Carnival Row.
I've never seen that.
Oh, you need to check it out. It's a really good one.
Is it?
Yes.
I just finished season 3 of Ray Donovan on Prime, right? Or no, on Showtime.
Mm.
So I only have 4 more seasons before the 20th to do. So
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of got like a Game of Thrones feel to it.
Oh, does it?
It's a little bit more of, your mythical creatures compared to
Oh, okay.
ancient times.
Okay. And it's like based like in London or something, isn't it? Or like
Yep.
1800s or something like that.
Yep, I think it's during a civil war of some kind.
Okay. Anybody need more time? Speak up. Okay. All right. So now we got to get numbers in here. Okay. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, at least 8 variables, right? So let's go look over here. So there's my form load, all that kind of stuff. So let's try and put it here. We may end up moving it. So I'm going to declare the prices, okay? So I'm going to just I got those. Then I need to dim. That's Connecticut there. Okay. And I can already see we can't do that. These cannot be inside of here. Because if they are, every time we click a button, it'll reset to 0. So I'm going to take all these and Control X them.
Why not the constants?
Because they don't change. It don't matter how many times we press the button.
What's the Hungarian notation for the
Gotcha.
short?
SHO.
Thank you.
But if I leave those in there, my subtotals are going to go to 0 every time. And my counts will go to 0 every button. And I don't want that, right? So they're going to have to go up here outside of the main or outside the, and then I'm just change this to private. Not that you can't leave it as dim. This is just practice. And I usually put an M in front of them. I'll show you what I mean by that. That to me just signifies that they're at the module level and not inside of a sub.
What does the CT on the last four stand for?
Count.
Like, you have premium CT short. What does the CT stand for?
Count.
Okay.
The ticket count. You can make it a different name if you want. I mean, if you want to make it premium tick sold, or I don't care. By putting this M on the front, I know where these are. I do here. Oh, I forgot the E. M just means that these can be, they're declared to be used anywhere in this program as long as it's in this class. Okay, so those are variables I know I need. But again, these have to be up here. Because I don't want them to reset every time. You can set them as static too. But this is just easier. I just don't want them to reset every time, and it's just easy for me to. Okay, so now that we have those, what do we want to do? Okay, well, every time somebody clicks and it changes our check change here, if it's checked, they're buying, right? So now if I come down here and say if, or you know what, let's do select case. Where is it going to be? Just trying to see if I can get this to work. Might do it a different way. How many did I have? Row 6. Um, yeah. Then why did I make that decimal? Well, that's the sub.
Would it be premium sold val label dot text? Just curious,
Yes.
or
X is equal to premium sold. Premium sub underscore premium sub. Oh. Okay, so let's try that.
A question.
Yeah,
Would it be worth it to throw in the addition, the add equals to the gross?
yeah, but I would just want to see if it works first.
Oh, okay, okay.
That'll be outside the case statement. So that seems to work. go over here. Okay, that doesn't affect it, so that's good. Okay, so that's that, that's that. And then this will be case is less than 20, what is that, C? $24. Less than 25. Okay, and then we'll get the same thing here on the score. This is norm, count short, plus equal 1s. And underscore norm sub small plus equals okay, and I'm going to test that one. Okay, that one seems to be working too. And then I'll do the third group.
Hey, Doug, I have a problem.
Okay,
The Val Premium, Value Premium one,
yeah,
where you put in the number of premium tickets sold.
yes.
It worked the first time, but then when I came back and I typed in the subtotal, it's underlined red and it says options strict on, disallows implicit conversions from Boolean to decimal, even though I just did 2-string. Mine's typed exactly like yours is.
This one or the one above?
The one above.
This one?
Yeah.
Do you have an equal here or two equals?
I have 1 equals. How can I share my screen if you want to look at it?
Okay, hang on, I'll stop share. And then I have to authorize you, hang on. Okay, you should be able to now.
Can you see it?
Yep. Go up to where you declared your variable at the top. Okay, go down again. Oops, stop. Oh, you don't have anything up above.
Where at?
The line above is what's causing your problem.
Oh, oops. Just gonna get rid of that for now. Actually, I don't know why I did that. Can we stop sharing now since I know what to do?
Well, I want to see if it works.
All right. Show should be equal to-
Ringing that bell over and over again. I can't. I'm in class.
We can hear you. It's gonna be more than, oh, okay, so you're just adding these one at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got. What's going on?
Okay, cool.
All right.
My bad. Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Gotta see something. My bad just said my battery's getting low. Hang on a second. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay. My battery came loose from my. All right. So then I'm gonna do a K cells here. For the economy. That came up as economy. Named it weird. All right, now let's test, save and test. You should be able to click on any button now. Put the name in, and it should pop up a total over here. So try a couple of them. Like at least one in each row. And see if you get numbers over here. I call my wife and have her bring me something to drink. She's in the other room. Everybody working?
Mine crashed when I went to the economy part.
Okay, well, then you got something. Let me close.
I can't screen share. It's on my laptop and I'm zooming on my desktop.
No, it don't matter.
Oh, okay.
But you need, where is it red? You gotta have something that's red if it's crashing.
If my control dot checked, then it says the index is outside the bounds of the array for the economy.
What one is outside the bounds?
The economy?
Yeah. Okay, so I'd say you have a numbering problem in your tags. Again, where's it popping up?
It just has the thing that I just read. Where did it go? It said if my control dot checked, then, and that's highlighted yellow.
Hang on, if my control dot check. Okay, right here,
Yes.
okay. And it says it's out of
Index?
the index. Okay, and it does it every time you do it? Or is it only when you hit a certain number?
I will read.
Run it again.
Okay, so it lets me enter my name, and as soon as I press enter or continue, it crashes. Index was outside the bounds of the array.
On any of them?
Any of the economy.
Okay, go up to another one and do one of the other ones.
As in another class?
And no, do it in, let's buy a premium seat.
Oh, that's what I meant. Sorry. It'll let me do that.
Okay, and it'll let you buy the next one.
The normal, correct.
Okay, so now what you need to do is go back over here and go down here to your bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and look at your seat and go down to your tag
Yes.
and make sure those are numbered right.
Okay.
So this should be 30. And then it should go down to 26, I think it is.
To 26? Oh, okay, I get it now.
Okay, so that's 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. You need to make sure all those tags are set.
Okay.
Do that. Really, this is beer. I put a Diet Coke cover on. No, I'm kidding. Oh, that's nice, Doug. I just shot Coke all over my keyboard.
Are you sure it's not a koozie?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a Coke koozie on top of a Corona. It's a coronavirus.
Well, Doug, if you need somebody to drink with, I'll just go pull my beer out.
Did you hear Corona was ordered to stop manufacturing their products?
No.
Yeah, I don't know. I heard somebody had mentioned it was because of like shock factor. I also heard somewhere that it was it was because it was labeled unnecessary. So they shut down their factories.
I think that's a wives' tale.
I don't know. I read it somewhere. So
well,
it has to be true. I read it on the internet.
If you read it on the internet, it's got to be true, right?
It's got to be true.
Again, how are we doing on that? Are all the tags right?
Yes, but for some reason it crashes above 30.
Above 30? You shouldn't have anything above 30.
Oh.
How can you have something above 30? You only have 30 seats.
Oh, I have 36 seats.
Oh, yeah, we made 36 originally, but I got rid of 6.
Oh, okay.
That's what's happening. Get rid of those 6 seats down on the bottom.
Okay.
Now try it.
I'll just have to redo my numbers first.
Don't just get rid of 6 Cs.
Okay.
The bottom row, they should be in order, right?
Yes.
So highlight them and hit delete.
Okay.
Then run your program.
Okay, it works now. Thank you.
See that? All right.
It's marked under normal, but I can fix that.
Okay. All right. So now that's swell, right? Okay. And I'm not worrying about totals yet, so don't worry about that. So what if we take this whole select case? Okay. You with me? And we control C to copy it. We take it down here, and under the undo, or turning it back to yellow, we hit Control V and paste it in there. Okay. And then we take minus, instead of the plus there, minus in front 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 of the plus there, or the equal sign, I'm sorry, and minus in front of that equal sign. So all I did is I changed those 6 operators, minuses, okay? And now I'm going to run it just to check it after I save. And let's see if that'll work. So I buy this seat. And then I don't want it anymore. Okay. I buy this seat. And I unclick it. I buy this seat. I no longer want it. So now make sure your program does that. All I did is copy it from up here, the select case only. I came down here and just change the pluses to minuses. Wherever you had a plus should now be a minus. Then outside of the if down here, we're going to have M underscore total count is equal to M underscore premium count short plus M underscore norm count short plus M underscore econ count short. Then we're going to say M underscore total gross decimal is equal to our M underscore premium sub decimal plus our M underscore norm sub decimal plus RM underscore econ subdecimal. Then we can put them in the labels. So my total gross, total sold label, no, total sold val label. Text should be equal to my M underscore total count short string and my total gross val label text is equal to my underscore total. And let's see what that looks like.
I am in the middle of class. That bird cannot be near me.
You getting attacked by a bird? So you can see there, if we add them up, it comes to 60. We've sold 4 seats. Looks good. I want to return this seat. I've sold 3 seats, 1 in each class, comes out right. Make sure yours does that now. I'll give you a second.
Are we making any buttons for this?
I can't hear you.
Are we making any buttons for this program?
Well, yeah, eventually. We don't.
Oh, okay.
We could use a clear all button, right, and an exit button,
All right.
unless you want to have more. I was thinking about putting a list box that shows all the seats, and we could put it visible and invisible. That if you check the checkbox, it shows the manifest, and if you uncheck it, it doesn't show the manifest. I'll show you here in a minute when we. Everybody caught up?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna try something here. So this is pretty cool, I think, so far. But I'm gonna stretch this, or let's see, let's do this. I'm gonna select everything I have on the screen right now and hit my left mouse button and move everything over. Kind of looks like it's doing the shimmy right now. I'm gonna move it over. Might have to make my form a little bigger. That's about as far as I can get. Okay. I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. And I'm going to add a list box right over here. And I'm going to call it my seating chart or something like that. Or just chart. Come on. You guys I hate when it does that. So I'm going to just say chart. And let's go down. And I'm going to make it visible equals false for now. And then I'm going to also add a checkbox, a normal checkbox, like this one. The text is going to say, show something like that. I got to name it. Oops, not my main. Main chart checkbox. I'm going to double click it. Let's see if that works. Seems to. And I'm gonna go up to the top again.
I'm having a problem with mine where it's saying I have to like raise the event, use a raise event statement to raise an event for the chart check dot check changed statement. Not the private sub, but the one below it.
This,
Yeah, it's gonna be a red line.
that's because you don't have this underscore here.
Oh, what's that?
You need a space underscore. If you want to put that, I just had to cut mine because my text is so big. That belongs up on this line.
Oh, okay. Okay, whoops.
So if you want to put it down there where mine is, you just put a space.
Sorry. Yeah, that confused me. Okay, never mind.
Hey, Doug.
Yeah,
Couldn't we also just like set the visible to the same thing as the dot checked to save a couple lines?
okay. What do you want to do?
So couldn't you just like set the dot visible equal to the checked just to save yourself like a few lines?
You gotta tell me where to type. I know what you're saying. Just negate what it's now.
So like right there, like instead of just having that giant if statement, you could just do like chart checkbox. I mean chart list box dot visible equals chart checkbox dot checked. Like, are you fine with us doing that or?
Tell me again, one more time.
So chart list box dot visible equals chart checkbox dot checked. Like just to make it quicker, I guess.
What you want to do that?
Yeah, and then instead of UE, you could just
Well,
do
no, I'm there. What do you want me to type?
chart checkbox dot checked.
Okay.
Is that like something we can do, or do you prefer us to write it out the long way?
And will it uncheck it?
I believe so. That works for me anyway.
Oh, sure. Works for me.
Okay.
So move that up. That'll work. Good catch. All right. So now I'm going to go back up. Everybody good now?
Yes.
Up at the top.
Give me just one more moment on that. On that one. Okay, all good.
So I think up here, I'm going to declare instead of doing this all the time, I should just declare it as a variable. And I can just pop it in all the time. Know what I'm saying? Let's go right here. So I changed a couple things here. I added this line. I used that new variable right there instead of reusing this cint all the time. And then I added this bottom line here.
Still need the purchaser string.
Well, yeah.
Because we haven't like used it for anything yet. And now that we have a patron string that
Yeah,
does
we're
like the
using
same
it. We're
thing.
using it for the tooltip here.
That's the name string. I mean the purchaser. That's the name string. I'm
Yeah.
talking about the purchaser string.
Purchaser string. Oh, there's my, that's what I just created a new, see, I just redid what I was doing before. I put this in here before. You're right. Okay. So we can get, so now we've got a duplicate here. Because these two things are the same. So you can now get rid of that. And then go up here. And you can get rid of this. The dog's laying by my feet snoring. All right, so let's get this straightened out. That's what it should look like now. And then we need to add, take this line out. or copy it, I'm sorry. Copy that line and put it down here.
I'm sorry, did you say cut or copy?
Copy. And get rid of the name string here. Other- demonstrate. Okay, so that, where did I put that? Manager. Right here, seat integer has to be outside this if statement. That should be a short anyway. Okay. So I took that seat integer and I made it empty if they uncheck it. In other words, taking that element, I'm taking that element out of the array if it's unchecked. And down here at the end here, and this is why I'm saying we can cut this up in procedures, but this should read what is that thing called? String. Um, blah, 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 blah. This, what is it called? Chart. I had a chart list back from here. No, I don't want to do it. Say for See if it works. Ooh, that ain't gonna work.
Is it because you have 3 parentheses there? Never mind.
Yeah, there's another thing we want to do here. Just before this, right here, we need to do. Gotta clear it, or it'll just keep adding and adding and adding. All right, let's try it. Hello? We could even do something here. So that should work now. Oh, let's see if it turns them off if we unclick them. While he's still there. Yeah. Let's do this. I'm going to create um, geez. I just copied the seating chart. Put it down here. Yeah, it does. Need it to trigger every time. Um, I'm just thinking here. That's going at me. Update seed integer is inside the if statement. It's outside the if statement. Why is this outside? I know that. Okay, that's crazy. Seed integer is out here. What did I call it down below?
I think you called it seeding integer instead of seat integer.
Now let's go down here. I'm gonna change something up there. Okay. Yeah. Here. Now I think if we go copy all of this.
Mine works just like that, Doug.
Just the way I got it now.
Yeah, so I didn't pass it any Boolean, so I did the call in between the two statements in the if statement, and then I just had it reference the update seating chart function, and it doesn't need a Boolean, it'll remove it automatically. Like,
Okay. Where am I at here? Oh, no, I did have to short down here and put integer. And I don't need this, you're saying. All right. So what am I changing up here? Nothing, right?
and then I removed the for loop from that since it's now in the function.
Yeah. Didn't I do that? No. For loop goes, 'cause it's down below now, right? And let's run it. My arguments. Up. Okay, let's see how crazy this is now. And then if I unclick Doug is still there.
That's weird. When I did mine, it removes it.
Okay, so I got something different. All right. Let's then select update seating chart, right?
Yep. And then,
And update seating chart down here after the end select.
yep.
Then you go down here. And I think you gotta remove whatever I send down here.
Oh, if you do,
Yeah, I just need my M underscore patron string num short. Should be num integer now. And then just say I did it after. Okay, that's not right. See, that's why I had to have the true and false down here.
I'm trying to figure out what's different about yours and mine because mine is working and I'm trying to figure out where.
Retry something else. Just need to move this somewhere.
Can you put that in your else statement?
Yeah, let's. Oops.
Yeah, you already have the patron string seat integer in there.
Yeah, why, what the hell's going on? Why isn't that kicking when
I wonder why it's not kicking, because for me, it's looking the same and it's letting me
we
do,
should set it to, right here, this should set it to nothing if they unclick. And then it should refresh down below. Hang on one second, let me. And then if I do that, these go away, bug's still there. Still there. So it doesn't look like it's removing my, why is it not removing this? Are you using string empty or double quote? Not that it matters.
I'm using string.empty.
Where do you have this line? Right here?
Yeah, I have it at the right before the case.
Yeah, that's where I have it. So why is mine not setting patron string seed integer? Isn't that what we called this thing, seed integer? Yeah, right here. I don't get it. I clear it here.
Do you want me to share my screen and see?
Well, I don't know where, I mean, there's gotta be a line. Who, somebody else speak up, will you? Who else is running right?
Mine is running right, except for that all the seat numbers are as checkboxes.
Ah,
As in, I just have one error, but it's a different error.
who has one that runs? And the name goes away in the list box.
I do.
Mine works fine.
Yeah, mine works too.
It goes away.
Yeah.
When you unclick, your list box shows that seat is now empty.
Yeah.
Then why is mine the only one that freaking, I designed the damn thing?
It didn't for mine. Mine didn't even show the it didn't even show the name anymore.
I just did something different.
That's all fine.
I gotta believe it's something stupid. I don't even need,
I just set mine to be empty in the else statement for the my control dot checked because I just figured that'd be easier.
my control dot check. I don't know. Here's my control dot checked. And so if they select it, the seed integer becomes the tag and it adds it to the array.
Yeah. Personally, I when you declare the variable is the same time, I also assign it the my control dot tag, and then I just copied the patron string setter and put it into the other side, except I just did string not empty there.
I don't know what you're saying here. Because here we enter their name. We've got the tag here, it becomes seed integer. We turn that control red, set the tooltip, and then put the name in the array. I don't know any way else to do the steps.
You can move the seat integer up to where you declared it.
That shouldn't change anything.
I moved it up there, and then instead of putting the string.empty in the update seating chart thing, I just put it where in the other side where it sets the color back to red or whatever it was.
Okay, well, I mean, I can move this up here. I don't think it's gonna do anything. So that goes there now. Oops. If I put that there,
And then you copy the M patron string C integer thing.
this right here, right?
Yeah, that line you just copy.
I already did that. That's right.
Yeah, that's what I did. And that
Right
worked
here.
for me. Yep.
And then in reality, we don't need to send this down there.
Yeah.
We can get rid of that. And you can get rid of that. Yeah, because we're changing it inside. So then this, we can get rid of this. It's not needed. Be a son of a- that- So now it's working.
Yeah, when you move the seat integer up before, it was always just stuck at 0, but now that you declared it up, now that you assigned it up there, it actually takes the current seat.
Yeah, mine is now working and it's showing the names again, so. And it's getting rid of them as well.
Yep. Cool. All right. So now all you need to do to finish this up, right, is you're going to go ahead and put a clear button in, an exit button in. Don't forget to reset your array back to new. All you do is redim it. You type in redim. I'll show you. Here, hang on. So I'm going to go down here below here. I think, I don't even know that you have to put a number in there. You might have to, I forget, okay? But in your clear, you're gonna reset all the buttons back. You could probably, well, no, you're not gonna be able to do that. You gotta do that. You gotta clear all labels. And you need to clear all labels, redeem the patrons, and clear all M type variables and turn or uncheck all check. So that's what you got to do in the clear button, okay?
When you try to redim the patron string, it
Yeah.
gives an error that says redim statements can no longer be used to declare array variables.
Don't do redim as string, just do redim m string patron with the size.
So it's
All
actually
right, thank you. That works.
string like that, and then
No, so I did mine in Hungarian, so what you had, yeah,
like that, right?
yeah. And that's what's working for me.
Cool. All right. I'm gonna go and post this. It takes a while to convert it. The Zoom takes a while. So I'll have that up sometime tonight. And I think it's a pretty cool program, really. Right? No? Nobody likes it?
It's
I like it,
beautiful.
Doug.
It's good.
I think
Too
it-
complex, I'm sorry.
Okay, but it's cool and it works. All right. Oh, yeah, and don't forget your splash screen. All right.
Okay.
I gotta go because
Gotcha.
I got office hours and then I got another class. So,
Have a good day and good luck.
okay, I'm gonna stop sharing there and stop recording.